How to add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. What is up, everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily add a Visa gift card balance on your Amazon account. First off, you're going to have to open up your Amazon app and make sure that you are logged into it. Then you can just find the search bar at the top, and here you can just search for Amazon Reload, hit enter. And once you've done that, you'll find this option to reload your Amazon gift card balance. Just tap on it. And then from here, you can find different kinds of balance that you can enter, all the way up to $100. And if you want to do others, you can add more money here. So let's say if I want to do $50 worth of balance, when my balance drops to $50, it's going to reload an amount of, let's say, additional $50 here. And it says the reload amount should always be greater than the threshold amount. So let me just go ahead and decrease the threshold amount. Now, once you have done that, you could just go ahead and tap on Buy Now. And it's going to prompt you to add a payment method if you haven't already. Here, just enter your card details and then tap on Setup Now. And once you've done that, you can view your balance and credits as well. So that's how you basically do it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.